Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider your practice space, place, time, zone, time, comma, zone. Not as a burden. Like, I have to put some reps in. I have to put some time in. It's time to get to class. It's time to do my duty. I said I'd do this every morning and do my 30-day challenge or whatever it might be. Rather than have that view of your practice as a burden. And sometimes it's very temporary. You realize it's time to leave for class and there's a hitch, there's a hiccup, there's a moment where you're like, and you kind of roll your eyes or breathe differently or hold your breath. And then maybe you just say, all right, let me get on with it. But that kind of initial reaction can help you see that you're seeing it as a burden, an imposition on your time, an assertion that you do something other than what you might prefer to be doing or continue doing. So rather than that sort of burdensome view on your practice, the whole of your practice, and sometimes the same thing happens fractally, kind of within a practice, like, okay, now it's time for push-ups or burpees, or now it's time for, the sword, and like, I never really liked it, but we need to do it. So we kind of have that sort of burden view within a larger practice. But here I'm thinking about the whole practice. If what we're doing, Tai Chi Chuan in this case, is a healthful martial art and help deepen the quality of your life, extend your life, uh, uh, add value to the relationships in your life, add meaning to your life, then it's a thing you're going to look at positively. It's a good thing, right? So look at it as a gift, the whole thing. Like, hey, I get to do this thing that I find to be so healthy and worthwhile and loving and meaningful. So give back to your art.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.